Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix autoruns if it's
দিয়া দিব
not
তো
opening on your Windows computer. If autoruns won't launch, closes immediately, or doesn't respond, there are several simple troubleshooting steps you can try. So let's get started. First, make sure you've extracted the downloaded zip file before running autoruns. Since it's a portable application, trying to launch it directly from the compressed archive can sometimes prevent
হুম
it from working correctly. After extracting the files, open the extracted folder and run the executable from there. Next, click the Autoruns executable
কেডা
and choose Run as administrator.
হুম
Autoruns requires elevated permissions to scan many Windows startup locations. If user account control
কি
appears,
জানি একটা
click
কোম্পানি
Yes to
বসে গেছে
continue. If Autoruns still doesn't open,
হুম
check Task Manager to see whether it's already running in the background.
কি করতে
I mean, if you find an autoruns process, select it, click End Task, and then try launching the application again.
সাইডে দিছে
Another good solution is to download the latest version from the official Microsoft
হুম
Sysinternals website. Replacing older or corrupted
হ্যাঁ
files with the newest release can resolve compatibility issues and ensure you're using the latest version.
আচ্ছা
You
আয়
should
আয়
also verify that your Windows system is fully updated and check whether your antivirus or security software is blocking autoruns. If necessary, temporarily allow the application through your security software and try opening it again. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix autoruns when it's not
তাই
opening on your
দেশে
Windows computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone!